know that you're probably really interested and have been watching online that there's been a really big rise in the popularity of selling digital products. There's like PLR, there's all these different terms, MRR flying around, there's passive income. And I've been in the digital marketing space for a long time now, over 3.5, 4 years. My name's Sarah Saleh, I'm a digital marketing expert. And I've sold digital products quite successfully to my audience, to my warm audience, so to my coaching clients, to my email list. I've not really been able to crack Etsy. It's probably to do with me, you know, it's the consistency thing. I've started a couple of stores, I've got a bit bored, I've started again, I've had sales here and there, but I haven't really had anything that's been consistent. And so a couple of weeks ago, I saw online that there was a new niche emerging, which really kind of sparked my interest. It'd be something that I would be interested in. Now, this is around murder mystery, true crime, and escape rooms. And I did a training course by somebody called Alessandro, and he was teaching how to create escape rooms for children. And I thought this gave me a really good idea. I thought, you know what? I did some research online. I looked that this is actually a really emerging trend. So I bit the bullet. I completely cleared one of my shops. Now, if you guys haven't seen my previous video, I'll link it down below so you can have a look. I completely cleared one of my shops. I rebranded and I started making murder mystery games. Now, these murder mystery games, I did actually use a PLR product from a subscription called Secret Weapon. And I put a couple of products out there. They just started getting sales straight away. And I just couldn't believe it. Like, this had never happened to me. Like, you see people posting online and you see people saying, oh, look, I've got these sales, but I just never thought it would happen to me. So I've been so happy about this. And I had some feedback from a few people that were saying, you know, I can't really understand the rules. Can you kind of explain it a little bit to me? So what I did is I bit the bullet again. I took the products, I took the rules, I put them into ChatGPT, and I can change it into a completely different game. I added character attributes, I added new rules, I added a new way that people can pick who the murderer is, and also so we can make kind of endless gameplay in different scenarios. And this has worked really well. Now, I will tell you that I had to go back in and edit, which took me quite a long time, the current games that I already had. And what I did is I went and messaged everybody that bought the game and said, look, here's a new updated version, hope you like it. I also added, after research, thought, how can I improve my product? I added in an invite template and an awards template. Now, I will just, if you can see here in the background of this screen, this is what I'm at now. So this is 13 days. I've done 21 orders and I've made £74.53 revenue. That's just amazing. Like, I'm so happy with that. Within 13 days, I've only made 12 products. So, you know, the momentum is really there. And I know that I've really hit on something here. As you can see, like the recent activity here, you can see it's a lot of it is all one game. Let me just see if this can click down. Like, I've got all of these different people favoring my shop, people buying my products. So I'm really happy with the progress. Now, what I will do, let me just share the product, the best selling product that I've got right now. And I'll show you exactly what I'm kind of selling right now. So this is the game. This is my best selling game. This is actually the first game I actually put up as well. So if you look in the previous video, you can see how I've rebranded it. I've actually tailored it even more than the previous video. So this is a murder mystery game. I've changed here. So this has got a complete introduction. These are brand new rules that are completely different from the previous game that I've made up myself using ChatGPT. I've also given it as an open-end scenario. So I've got 2 scenarios here. These are the suspect cards. And then again, I've added in an extra piece here. So this is basically the PDF that they will receive. These are the templates. As you can see, I've rebranded some of them for a different game. But yeah, these are the invite templates, and they get these as a PDF and they can just print them off. And it really helps engage gameplay, and also something that they can kind of keep on. Then people can even kind of frame these if they want to. You can send these digitally as well, so you can download them and send them digitally. And then this is the invite, so they get an invite that they're able to edit. So this is going to be a template, not a PDF, that they get to edit and they can send out to their friends. They can either print it off or they can send it digitally. So they just have to download their PNG and they can send it digitally. So you've got 3 products in one. To be honest with you, it doesn't take that long because I've got a couple of base templates. So all I do is I just lift and shift and I just change the colors, You have to make sure here, if it's a template, that you haven't got any pro elements in Canva as well. But yeah, it doesn't take long, and it's given a really big value. It is still a low cost product, but I'm really trying to grow my store right now, and I'm trying to give extra value to my customers. And I know, being in the digital marketing world for as long as I have been, giving extra value is always going to trump over everything, always. I would rather give extra value here now that's going to take me a couple of minutes, literally changing the colors and making a new template link that's going to be able to sell more, because there's more perceived value on the front end. How did I do this? Number one, I have digital marketing experience, so I have got a bit of a head start from everyone else. Like I said, I understand about value proposition, I understand about digital marketing and everything else, but I have had a helping hand. So I am a member of the Passive Income Society with Jessa Bauman, and I am an affiliate, and I'm going to put the link down below because you guys need to join this membership. I would not have been able to get as far as I can without this membership. There's literally everything in here. You've got templates, course creation, affiliate, Etsy, everything about Etsy, mini courses, software, bundles, sales, resource. The resources role is worth hundreds in itself. And then you've got bonus, Christmas toolkits. There's so much in here. The community is absolutely amazing. There's so much amazing support. I would not have been able to probably got where I am right now without the help and support of Passive Income Society. My next tool I really want to share with you, if you want to accelerate your growth, get things done quicker, because we all know it can be quite a laborious process sometimes, right? Etsy, you've got to do all your mock-ups, you've got to do just your listings, you're going to need to find your tags, you need to do research, your titles for your keywords and your SEO. Insight Factory helps you get that all done faster. I cannot recommend this tool enough. Again, look, it just does what it says on the tin. It's help you find trending products, better tags, titles, descriptions. Now I'm just going to pop into there. So the thing that I'm using most at the moment is recommended for me. Recommended for me is I've connected my Etsy store to Insight Factory, and it shows me recommended trending products based on my store. So let's click on recommended for me. I'm going to go to potential, and here it is. So if you can see here, that is Halloween Party Murder Mystery Game. That's my murder mystery game. And I'm super happy about that, because next to it is, I know this person here. I've actually bought a course of them before. I recognize their mock-ups. Is a really, really big Etsy seller. And these people on here on the front pages are. So I'm super, super chuffed that my product's been shown as a kind of trending product. And what it does is, I've gone by potential, and it shows you, like, we've got hot sales signal this week. So that means that it's really, really good, got a really good sales signal. You can see here, it shows you how many listings it had on the first page. So 38 listings on the first page had sales today. And it's got 1.8K competition. Okay, so I'm not going to go into a full in-depth tutorial on this, because they've already got that on the website. But I'm just wanting to show you here. So this is kind of showing us all the different things we've got. So if I go click onto Halloween Party Murder Mystery Game as a trending product, and we can see here they've got some products down here. Now what it does is it's showing me the different tags, the keywords. It's showing me what the sales potential. So I can see that this amazing product had 44 sales. It's had 52K views. It's got 1.55K favorites, and they've had it up 3 years. So, this is a really good product here that's performing well. But the good thing about this is I can copy the best selling tags. So it says copy the 13 best tags for this keyword. They're based on bestsellers, listing, and SEO. So I just copy and put them into Etsy. I can generate a title. So if I don't think that's going to, Halloween party game, invite to my manor, and it also generates a description. Now I use the part of the description in my listing, and I use ChatGPT for the rest of my listing. So this is just something that I wanted to share with you, because it's a really amazing tool, and I'll put the link below for that. And it can really accelerate your success and help you get things done faster. So yeah. That's just my little talk today. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching my video as much as I've enjoyed making this and sharing my successes with you. I'm super happy about the way this is going. Like I said, I've struggled for a while, and I was trying to find a niche, and I was getting put off, and then I was having ADHD burnout and ADHD boredom. If you guys understand what it means to be ADHD, you understand what I'm talking about. But you know, I've from 2 weeks, I've got 21 orders and £74 sales. Like from 12 products, that's amazing. Like, I can see now that I've got a momentum on this store, and I really need to put the work in and stay consistent. That's the main thing with Etsy. You need to stay consistent. And, you know, life does come up and things come up, and we don't get, you know, but don't let it put you off. Just keep going. Like I said, it's like a friend of mine said to me, this is third shop lucky, you know, as a joke and things. So yeah, this is so cool. And I really would love it if you could share this video, you could send me a like, and yeah, and it'd be really, really cool. And I really hope to see you guys soon. And hopefully on my next video, I'll be able to share some even more amazing successes with you. But I'll speak to you later. Thank you. Bye.